My name's Amy from CAV, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2022 Tesla Model 3. This is the long range dual motor edition with just under 41,000 miles. On our user interface, we're met with an overview of the vehicle. This allows us to open the bonnet, charging port and boot, all from within inside the car. If we click on our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, charging, autopilot, schedule for preconditioning and charge, advanced safety features, and if we go into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model 3 comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that we can access our dash cam. If we press here, we can access climate control with heated seats on either side, our heated steering wheel and heated windscreen. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 443 3024.